Recently, I went to an Amazon return store close to my house, and while I was petting their security cat, I spotted this mechanical keyboard on the corner of the table. That day, everything in the store was $7.99, so I bought it. Yo, what's the word, YouTube? My name is Lance. Welcome to my YouTube channel. For today's video, we're gonna open this motherfucker up and see if I wasted $8. But before anything, I just want to say thank y'all so much for helping me reach 100 subs. Next goal is 300, so please consider subscribing. So enough of me talking, let's get to the video. Well, I really like this keyboard because first off, although it's slim and light, it still feels like a high quality keyboard. Second reason is because of the price. Obviously, I got the $60 keyboard for $8, bro. Come on now. Ain't nothing to complain about. What I don't like about this keyboard is how slim it is. This is a personal preference since there's people who like them slim. Just not me, I like them super thick. Also, it is very hard to type on this keyboard, but that's maybe because I suck at typing, or maybe because the shift and question mark keys are placed weird as fuck. But other than that, I don't think I wasted my $8.